Hey guys! Ever start some calming background sounds on your iPhone to help you chill? And then boom, super annoying, right? Don't worry, today I'll show you 11 easy ways to keep your background sounds playing, even when your iPhone locks, with easy fixes. Let's jump right in. The first solution is to turn off stop sounds when locked. Alright, first up is the most common reason your sounds stop. Open your Settings app, scroll down, and tap on Accessibility. Then go to Audio/Visual and tap on Background Sounds. You'll see an option that says Stop Sounds When Locked. If that's turned on, your background sounds will cut off the second your iPhone locks. Just toggle this off, and for most people, that's all it takes to fix it. The second solution is to make sure your stream volume is up. Sometimes there's a separate volume just for the background stream. Start playing your background sound, and then you'll see the stream volume show up. Swipe to the right to turn it up, or to the left to lower it. The third solution is to use the side volume buttons. Keep pressing that volume up button to be sure it's turned up high enough. Sometimes it's really just that simple. The speaker volume might be too low. The fourth solution is to check equalizer audio balance between the left and right speakers, still under the Settings app, and scroll down to Accessibility and tap on it. Again, scroll down and tap on Audio and Visual in the Hearing section. Tap on Background Sound and scroll down to Equalizer and tap on it. Tap the toggle equalizer on and scroll down. You'll see a slider for balance between the left and right speakers. Make sure it's centered. If it's pushed all the way to one side, you might barely hear anything or miss it completely if only one speaker is playing. The fifth solution is to turn off Bluetooth or pick iPhone speaker. Sometimes your iPhone might be trying to play sound through a Bluetooth device that's turned off or out of range. Check under the Bluetooth settings. Launch the Settings app, tap on Bluetooth. Check if any device or headphones are connected to your iPhone. I recommend keeping Bluetooth turned off or disconnecting the Bluetooth device. The sixth solution is to adjust the background sound level while the media is playing. Accessibility contains the same background sounds menu. Scroll down and see Use when media is playing, and tap the toggle on. There's actually a separate volume with a media slider just for these sounds. Try increasing the volume slider while the background sound is playing. The seventh solution is to pick the right background sound. If it's still not working right, try changing the actual background sound. Tap on Sound inside the background sound settings and go to the sound list. Select any sound, such as rain, ocean, or stream. Sometimes the specific sound file can bug out, and swapping it fixes everything. The eighth solution is to force restart. If you're still stuck, do a force restart. Quickly press and release volume up, then volume down, then press and hold the side button until you see the Apple logo. This refreshes your iPhone and clears out small glitches. The ninth solution is to check for a software update. It's always a good idea to keep your iPhone updated. Head over to the Settings app and go to General. Tap on Software Update and install any new iOS updates. Apple often patches little bugs like this in updates. The 10th solution is to turn on Background App Refresh. If you're using a third-party app for your background sounds, make sure it's allowed to keep running in the background. Go to the Settings app and tap on General. Select Background App Refresh and check that it's turned on for that app. The 11th solution is to reset all settings. Go to the Settings app and tap on General, and scroll down until Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap on Reset and click to Reset All Settings. Often, this clears out deeper software issues that might be messing with your background sounds. Alright guys, those are all the ways you can try to keep your background sounds playing even after your iPhone locks. Hopefully this helped you out. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more simple iPhone tutorials just like this.